to listen as God speaks and whispers into your heart this afternoon. Maybe He is asking you to come to a salvation experience with Him today, to lay all your sins at His feet. Or maybe He's asking you to move into a deeper relationship with Him, to do more, to be more, to connect with someone you really don't want to connect with. God never asks us to do anything without a good reason. You remember that as you listen for His voice this afternoon. Maybe God is placing on your heart someone who you should pray for right now. Someone who needs the touch of His garment. And if He places a person on your heart, pray for them this afternoon as we begin to sing Shackled by a Heavy Burden. 'Neath a load of guilt and shame, then the hand of Jesus touched me. Now I am no longer the same. He touched me, oh, He touched me. And oh, the joy that floods my soul. Something happened. And now I know He touched me, and He made me whole. Let's sing it a couple times through.